Have you ever found yourself immobilized by the fear of failure? No matter how hard you try, those self-doubts and procrastination seem to have a grip on you. If this resonates with you, know that you are not alone. Stay with me and I will guide you on how to break free from fear and take action. If you have ever grappled with the fear of failure, comment yes to let me know I'm not alone in this journey. Welcome to today's video, a crucial guide on how to overcome the fear of failure and not give up. If you have ever felt the weight of self-doubt, procrastination, or the belief that your goals are unattainable, this video is a must-watch. I'm Maryann Nnaji, your personal development coach, and today we will be diving into proven strategies to fortify your mindsets, cultivate self-discipline, and sustain motivation on your path to success. Whether striving for a growth mindset, breaking free from bad habits, or seeking ways to conquer fear, this video is packed with practical self-improvement tips to propel you forward. We will also address how to combat procrastination, manage external stress, and avoid the trap of comparison, all while nurturing the mindset for personal growth and success. So, if you are ready to unlock your full potential, hit that subscribe button, because today we are not just talking about how to overcome fear, but how to conquer it for good. Stay tuned for my best Maryann motivation tips on overcoming the fear of failure and not giving up. Let's dive in. Strengthening your mindset is essential for personal growth, success, and well-being. However, it's not always an easy journey. The process requires self-awareness, resilience, and consistent effort. Below are some common daily challenges people face when strengthening their mindset. I will give you practical ways to overcome them. The first on my list is self-doubt. That's number one, and negative thoughts. One of the biggest challenges when trying to strengthen your mindset is battling self-doubt. Negative talks about your abilities, appearance, and potential can undermine your confidence and hold you back. These thoughts can arise unexpectedly, affecting your day-to-day interactions and decision-making. Here is the solution: is to practice positive affirmations and mindfulness, replacing negative thoughts with empowering statements such as "I am capable" or "I am worthy of success." You can gradually take control of your mindset. Journaling and self-reflection also play a significant role in identifying and addressing recurring negative patterns, empowering you to make positive changes. And that takes me to the second point I have for you: procrastination and lack of focus. Procrastination is a common struggle when trying to improve your mindsets. The tendency to delay essential things can lead to frustration and self-criticism. It may also prevent you from making progress towards your goals. The solution here is to break your tasks into smaller, manageable steps and set clear goals. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break to maintain focus, and take regular breaks. Stay responsible by sharing your goals with someone who can check your progress. Have you ever struggled with procrastination? Let me know in the comments below. And that takes me to the third point I have for you, and that's overwhelmed by big goals. Setting big long-term goals is essential when working on strengthening your mindset. However, the sheer size of these goals can feel overwhelming, causing stress and a sense of being stuck. It can make it hard to stay motivated and maintain progress. Up next, I will review the number one mistake people make when trying to overcome fear. So stay with me. So the solution to break your big goals into smaller achievable steps are celebrate small wins along the way and adjust your approach if needed. Focusing on one task at a time can help you stay grounded and reduce overwhelming feelings. And that takes me to the fourth one, the fear of failure. Fear of failure is one of the enormous obstacles to a strong mindset. The thought of not succeeding or making mistakes can paralyze you, preventing you from trying new things and taking risks. This fear can also contribute to self-doubt and anxiety. Here is the solution: is to reframe failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Shifting your perspective and valuing setbacks as a part of the process can alleviate the anxiety that often comes with the fear of failure. Use failure as feedback and remember that success is often built upon mistakes and failures. So bear that in mind, providing a sense of relief and encouragement. This shift in mindset can be a powerful tool in your personal growth journey. So that takes me to the fifth one I have for you: lack of motivation and consistency. Strengthening your mindset requires consistent efforts. It's easy to stay motivated on some days, but you might feel fatigued or uninspired on other days. This lack of motivation can delay progress and discourage you from continuing your efforts. Here is the solution for that: setting up a daily routine and creating a supportive environment is the solution. Consistency is key, so try incorporating small actions towards your daily goal, even if it's just for a few minutes. Additionally, find an accountability partner to help keep you motivated. Which of these self-improvement tips will help you the most? Seeing failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, or create a supportive environment? Keep watching, because in just a moment I will reveal how focusing on your journey can lead you to success. The sixth on my list: comparing yourself to others. Constantly comparing yourself to others can ruin your self-confidence. A lot of you don't know about this, but it's real. It can ruin your self-confidence and hinder the growth of your mindset. Social media can create unrealistic comparisons, making you feel inadequate or like you are not achieving enough. The solution here is to focus on your journey. We all have our journey. We all have our lives. Your life is not the same as mine. My journey is not the same as yours. So when we focus on our personal journey, then, and you set your own standards of success, that's it. So practicing gratitude for your progress and achievement can boost your confidence in your growth journey. Limiting exposure to comparison triggers such as social media can also help you stay grounded in your path, reinforcing your unique journey and empowering you to define your own success. Remember, your journey is unique, and your definition of success is what matters most. If this is helping you, give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it. And remember to subscribe for more powerful mindset growth strategies. And that takes me to the 7th point I have for you: lack of self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for strengthening your mindset. Without it, it's not easy to form healthy habits and stick to the actions necessary for personal growth. Lack of self-discipline can lead to procrastination and missed opportunities. However, with a strong sense of self-discipline, you can form and maintain these habits, leading to consistent progress and growth. Now, here is the solution to this: to develop and stick to a daily routine that includes productive and healthy habits. Start small and gradually build up your self-discipline over time. Use tools like habit trackers to monitor your progress and hold yourself accountable. And that takes me to the 8th point I have for you, and that's external stress and distractions. External stressors such as work demands, family obligations, or financial concerns can interfere with your ability to focus on strengthening your mindset. These distractions can drain your mental energy and hinder your personal development journey. So the solution to this is to practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and regular physical activity. For instance, you can start your day with a 10-minute meditation. Take a short walk during your lunch break and practice deep breathing exercises when you feel overwhelmed. Time blocking your day to focus on mindset during designated times can help you avoid distractions. Setting boundaries, others may also reduce external stressors. So, which of these self-improvement tips do you think will help you the most? Productivity and healthy habits, or meditation? Let me know in the comments below. And that takes me to the 9th point I have for you, and that's impatience with progress. We're always in a haste when it comes to progress, but it's not supposed to be so. Everything takes time. Those things takes time to grow. Strengthening your mindset is a long-term endeavor, but impatience can creep in when you don't see immediately results. People often expect rapid changes, leading to frustration when their progress feels slow or stagnant. The solution here is very simple: to be patient and realistic with your expectations. Personal growth takes time, and progress may not always be linear. Celebrate small milestones and trust that consistent effort will yield positive success in the long run. Embracing patience and realistic expectations can bring peace and understanding of your growth journey. And that takes me to unhealthy routines, and habits. A mindset focused on growth and success often requires changes in lifestyle, including healthier routines. However, breaking old habits and adopting new ones can be challenging. For example, poor sleep, lack of exercises, and unhealthy eating can negatively impact your mindset. The solution here is to gradually incorporate healthier habits into your routine, such as exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet. Small, consistent changes can significantly improve your mindset and overall well-being. Before I review my final tip, I have a powerful mindset shift that changed my life. But first, let's talk about why fear holds you back. And that's the 11th one, fear of criticism and judgment. The fear of being judged or criticized by others can prevent you from taking action and sharing your goal. The fear of what others think can create a mental block, whether from colleagues, friends, or even family. So, the solution here is very simple. Is to build self-compassion and learn to embrace vulnerability. I have learned that in my life, and it has changed my life for good. Remember, not everyone's opinion matters. Bear that in mind. And people who judge you may not fully understand your journey. They don't even understand, they don't even understand your journey. So develop a strong sense of self-worth and confidence to ignore negative judgments. And then the 12th one, negative environment. That's my favorite. That's the part I was talking about earlier. Surrounding yourself with people or environments that reinforces a negative mindset can make it rigid to achieve personal growth. Being constantly exposed to negativity, pessimism, can affect your outlook on life and your ability to strengthen your mindset. So the solution here is very simple as well. To create a positive environment requires surrounding yourself with people who uplift you and inspire you. Limit exposure to toxic influences and seek out supportive communities that encourages personal growth and mindset improvement. So in conclusion, strengthening your mindset is a continuous journey that requires patience, commitment, and resilience. If you are struggling with self-doubt, procrastination, or pressure of big goals, don't worry, you're not alone. Your journey towards personal development and self-improvement is just beginning. Which of these strategies will you apply first? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs this message today. Now that you know how to overcome the fear, the next step is learning how to develop a growth mindset. Click on this to watch my next video now. So thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you in the following video. Bye.
Seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea.